George the Tech at VO Atlanta, and I've got to finally visit my friends over at VO Xtra.
George the Tech.
And here, of course, to tell us what's going on at VO Xtra is the marketing director of VO Xtra, Martha Kahn. How you doing, Martha?
Hey, thanks, George. Well, we love you at Voice Over Xtra. Voice Over Xtra is the industry's largest daily resource guide of all things voiceover. So if you're looking for anything voiceover, we would love you to sign up on our website. It's free, and we've got marketing resources. We have webinars, we have advertising, we have articles, features articles. Anything you want to know about voiceover, you can find on Voice Over Xtra. And we love you, and we love voiceover. And our editor-in-chief is John Florian, who couldn't be here this weekend, but he sends his love, and we are happy to be here.
VO Xtra is near to my heart because they gave me my start doing webinars, honestly. John trusted me to come and teach for them, and it's the whole reason why I feel very comfortable doing webinars to this day. Somebody's standing over your shoulder whose name is very well known in our business, Robert Sciglimpaglia. How you doing, Robert?
I'm doing well. How you
What
doing?
are you up to? You helping out and supporting the cause?
Well, Voice Over Xtra published my book, Voice Over Legal.
Oh, that's right.
That's why John asked me to come and help Martha come to the booth.
Every single time a question comes up on social media and it's something that needs to be answered in a book like this, Rob, you're always there to make sure, listen, talk to the right person. Don't take an opinion from the community on these important topics.
Yeah, someone always tags me, so.
You exactly, you and me. You
yeah.
get tagged anytime legal, if anything comes up, and I get tagged for tech stuff, and we tag team everything. So,
Yep.
But that's the way to do it, is be there with the right answers, and publishing a book is a really good idea.
And that's the beauty of our community. We all help each other, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. We're all there for each other.
We're all in
so
it together.
keep going with VO Xtra. Now, how many years since John started? It's got to be
I
15.
think John
7.
met Penny and James at the first Voice Conference in 2007.
7.
And Voice Over Xtra was birthed.
Boom.
And I've been with him since 2012.
Wow. We
Yeah.
go way back, folks.
We all go
way back.
way back.
Yep.
Thanks, you guys. It's really nice to see you again.
Thanks, George.
Cheers.
Love
See you
ya.
later.